Oh boy, look what we got. It's so cute. I love it.
Pretty.
It is. Look at that. So we've got a Cubic Mini wood stove from Cubic Mini. This is going to replace a stove that we did and shared with you in an earlier episode when we had a cold winter last year. We needed something to keep warm.
But that's something, that stove we found was very inadequate. It really didn't make much heat. Didn't put any heat into the room. It vented lots of smoke outside and consumed firewood. We didn't get any heat. So we're trusting that this is going to do better.
We talked with the company and we did our research, and this will actually recirculate heat through the unit instead of just ejecting it straight out through the chimney. So we look forward to this actually putting out a lot more BTU and making better use of the consumables that we feed to it than our previous stove. So we'll walk you through the deinstallation of our old stove.
Oh yeah.
And we'll install a new one.
So this is a Newport by Dickinson, and while a lot of people like them, we found in our layout it didn't work. So we're taking it out. Maybe somebody else would like it.
Well, the stove comes mostly pre-assembled, except for the legs, which simply are screwed on. We're going to do that now. A stove this size is recommended for a space of about 100 to 150 square feet, which actually works out really well for our salon and settee area. Of all the stove manufacturers that we researched, the Cubic Mini was absolutely the best in terms of efficiency and build quality. So we went with the best. Cubic Minis are manufactured in Canada, but they ship to the United States. That's a good thing. Stay warm. You have a washer. I have a washer.
There's one more nut. This one's...
Oh, it hasn't been done. Oh.
We also got a box of stovepipe. These are double wall. The double wall keeps the surroundings safer. It keeps a lower temperature. We've got it all surrounded by tile, which is non-flammable. But this gives you another layer of protection from the heat. We bought all these stovepipes from Cubic. They've got all the parts you need for the installation. We're going to reuse some of our Dickinson pieces though. This is the Dickinson adapter from Cubic, and I have to cut it here. Now if you want to cut a cylinder, take a piece of paper, put it on your mark, and wrap it around and adjust the paper so it lines up. Put it on your mark, and now you've got a line all the way around. Voila. Perfect. I have trimmed the stovepipe to fit. Now it's time to put it in place. This may be a bit of a challenge. The stovepipe's in, so we're going to take off the back two legs, and I can tip it up, put it in, and put the legs back on. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. All right, let's try it again. Ha! Success! But before we put the back legs on, we're going to mark the holes in the bottom of the legs for the front and drill those for screws to screw it down. Because this is a sailboat and she tips both ways. We also have a trim plate to go on the ceiling. And I wish I had a more heat resistant adhesive, but we'll hope for the best. So we've got our 2 holes for the feet. There she is. Our back legs. Can't see what I'm doing. It's all by feel. 1. And each one gets a nut. Okay, so we've got a bolt coming up from underneath. I'm going to try to line it up to the hole in the foot. And of course, I can't see what I'm doing again, so we're going to try it.